So 6.0 version. It was not there. I think the legacy version usually call them. It's not there. So, based on the attribute only, you are going to decide what will be the operation like for create, modify, delete, for all kind of operation. You want to notify and based on which attribute the native change direction is going to detect, if anyone make changes only on the end. Yeah. Did we do the notification settings, email things and everything? Exactly. We have a number of things we will learn. Okay, we can email. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Then no problem. Yeah, no, not tomorrow, we are going to learn. We will learn. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to cover these 6 topics. Apart from that, I'll try to create 2 more applications. How we are going to create you should like is just a small. Yeah, sure. What is so? When we are checking native change detection, and for the operations we are giving create, modify and delete dash. From where are we getting this request, and why are we creating and modifying or deleting it? Okay, someone is going to create an identity directly. So in that scenario, SailPoint will come to know why aggregation. If you didn't enable this create, then it won't get understand. It won't be able to understand. Okay, so suppose I deleted the identity from the EXO sheet. Main spreadsheet. Suppose an aggregation SailPoint will come to know that an identity was deleted or a user was deleted. Right, something like that, okay, right? So, based on the operation it will define, and based on the attribute it is going to deduct. So if someone is making changes to the entitlement, then it will deduct, or do you have any specific attribute, and from there you are going to define? Then you have to define those things. Somebody's going to add, or remove what they are going to remove, or add any access right. You can define those access by attributes. So that's the main purpose. Awesome. I mean, I have questions, but I'm just being conscious about the time. Will I last more? Okay, so no issue guys, the native change detection. It's not quite easy. So we will be able to achieve, as a team into 1.5 years to achieve. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you're going for out of the box, then it's going to be very simple. If you're going for any customization, it took 1.5 years to accomplish this. From past experience, I'm saying it's going to be very difficult, but just have an idea. What is native change detection? Does that make sense? All right. Yep. Yeah.